So guess what, ladies and gentlemen? It's SEMA 2018, and starting off with our first piece is Michael with Treadwear. Now, Michael, we were talking earlier, and you guys are known for going big and outrageous. You guys have done exactly that with the scraptona. Tell us about it.
Well, the idea is, what if good old boys decided to go road racing? So we did a wide body road racing Daytona. We started putting the pieces together. It had this raw feel to it. We thought, we kind of dig this, so we'll leave that as is, and we called it the scraptona because it came from about 5 different cars, put it together, and it's been a lot of fun.
Now, you guys used our express kit.
Absolutely, we did, and it's the second time using that kit. It's just so great because it simplifies the process that can be so complicated. And so actually we put it right between the seats. It's easy to get to. It looks great, which is awesome.
1 to 10, how would you rate Ron Francis wiring?
10 all the way.
All right, that's it. On to the next one.